Namaskara. Dr. Saraswati Rajatish, a dental doctor by profession, is a noted Kuchipudi artist and guru in Karnataka. She has a master's in Kuchipudi from the Siddhendra Kalakshetram, having trained under gurus such as Vedantam Ramu and Vedantam Radheshyam. She is currently pursuing research on the therapeutic values of Kuchipudi dance. She has also mastered the ancient art form of Simhanandini under its only existing guru, Srimati Voleti Rangamani. Through her institute, the Natya Saraswati Kuchipudi Dance Academy, she trains several artists in this divine art form, apart from conducting workshops, lecture demonstrations and dance festivals such as the Kuchipudi Nrityotsav and the only travelling dance festival, the Nritya Bharati. Natya Saraswati has presented several ballets including Bhama Kalapam, Karunya Rama, Shivaganga, amongst many others. Its troupe travels every year to several countries across Europe and America.
Bhama, tell me your husband's name. Satyabhama shies away and explains her husband's name indirectly as a mark of respect. This is a traditional choreography from the Kuchipudi dance recital.
Lord and the love for him. Sanchara Dadhara.
Sudha madhura dhvani mukharita mohana vamsyam sanchara mukharita mohana vamsyam sanchara dadhara sudha madhura dhvani mukharita mohana Vallava yuvati sahasram Vipula pula smarati mano mama kruta parihas.
The Simhanandini that was performed as part of ancient temple rituals. It was brought to the forefront by the late Sri C.N. Acharya and his daughter Srimati Voleti Rangamani.
Sarvani Katyayani Sarvani Sumangali Kariharavahini Veeraviharini Katyayarbhati Bhayada Saurambha Phela Phelarbhati Bhayada Samrambha Phela Phelarbhati Bhayada Saurambha Kathora Rakhagra Karala Damstrala Kathora Rakhagra Karala Damstrala Pekalchi Pekali Bhadrakali Jaya Kali Bhadrakali ಕಾಳಿ ಭದ್ರ
ಹಸ್ತಕರಣ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದಾಶ್ಚ ವಿದ್ಯುದ್ಭ್ರಾಂತಮತಿಕ್ರಂ ತಕರ್ ಹಸ್ತಕರಣ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದಾಶ್ಚ ಕರ್ಣವೇದ ಹರಿಣಿ ಕರಿಣಿ ಚಾರಿಕ ಮಯೂರ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತಿನ್ನ
ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿತ ಮೋದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ದೇಶಾಂತರಿ ಕಾಳಿಕ ಸಿಂಹವಾಹಿನಿ ಸಿಂಹನಂದಿನಿ ಸಿಂಹವಾಹಿನಿ ಸಿಂಹನಂದಿನಿ ಸಿಂಹವಾಹಿನಿ
Dr. Saraswati Rajitesh.
You are a big fan, sir. You are a big fan. 8 years you have spoken about such a beautiful thing. 5 days, sir. You are a big fan.
వచ్చారమ్మా?
ఏ స్వామి వారే?
అదేమిటమ్మా నీ స్వామి వారే?
ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಸತ್ಯಭಾಮ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು
బెంగళూరు నుంచి వచ్చి కూచిపూడికి సేవ చేసుకునే భాగ్యం మాకు కలిగింది.
మీ సరికొత్త మువ్వల సవడి. అంతవరకు సెలవు. నమస్కారం.
మువ్వల సవడిలో ఈ యొక్క వివిధ సాంప్రదాయ నృత్యాల్లో
మాకు సెలవు. నమస్కారం.
Good. Kannimoli, Ashtavidha Nayikas, that is Shubha asked you about the Nayika. I have very less programs which are related to classical dance. That should be very much educative. Prithvi Nayak, your nritta was very nice. Excellent. I think you have undergone culture behind it. It's really difficult to judge.
And that's why you are here today to be the judge.
Hope God has given me the energy and the strength to really judge, but I have done my best.
Trishul or trident, who is decorated with the sun and the moon,
द्रौपदी थाड़ी भर सभा में, द्रौपदी थाड़ी भर सभा में, भर सभा में द्रौपदी थाड़ी we really thank him for all his support. Thank you so much. And hope to see you again soon.
गिरिजार्णव पूर्णेन्दुं समञ्चित कलानिधिम् अपास्थ विघ्नतामिश्रम् शूर्पकर्णमुपास्महे Dam da dam da da dam da dam, dim da dim da da dim da dim, dam da dam da da dam da dam, dim da dim da da dim da dim, dan dan dam dan 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 da din 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 din, dig da ga dam da gi da ga da ga dig da ga dam da ga da dig na dum da ga dig na dum.
Namaste to all. Welcome to our Kuchipudi festival, which is happening past 4 years.
Which is very interesting. I need to show a little bit of that is the charis that we use in Kuchipudi and the charis that Padma Subramanian
house we have artists in Kuchipudi. That is the greatness of Kuchipudi.
Not reveal welcome. So people like Chinta Balakrishnan, where I used to see him with Satyanarayana Sharma Garu for many
ఒకళ్ళు వెళితే వీర వైష్ణవులు ఒక 10 మంది వీరశైవుల్ని ఒకళ్ళైతే చంపేసేవాళ్ళు.
అయితే బహుదూరం మే ఉండది కృష్ణా తీరం మేం కులమున బ్రాహ్మణ వారం మాది కూచిపూడి అగ్రహారం మేం మిక్కిలి అడుగా నేరం. ఈ రకంగా అద్భుతమైనటువంటి యొక్క ఆసుకైత్వాన్ని చెబుతూ వాళ్ళ యొక్క తత్వాన్ని చెబుతున్నారు. మనం ఒక ఉదాహరణ
specifies precision in placement of the foot or the hand is really reinforcing that. It is reinforcing. Digi, hold, tatta, hatta, tie, hold, thumb, digi. See, that holding should come. Tie. Why? It's not just an aesthetics that has been created by Master Garu. It is that connectivity pattern that is being now found. So when I'm sitting into that posture, I'm activating this neuromuscular pattern by keeping my ankle forward and my heel firmly on the floor. And when I lift the heel,
ఇందులో కూచిపూడి అంటే అది ఒక పవిత్రమైన మనం చెప్పలేమండి. అది నేర్చుకుని చేస్తేనే మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. కానీ ఆ ఆత్మ సంతోషం కానీ ఆ ఇది కానీ మనం చెప్తే రాదు. అసలు
స్టూడెంట్ని చేర్పించగానే చెప్పే కదా ఇదే లక్షణాలతో చేర్పిస్తారు. ఈరోజు మనం నేర్పుతాం, రేపు పొద్దున్నే స్టెప్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఆ తర్వాత రోజునే స్టేజ్ ఎక్కి ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసేయాలి, ఆ తర్వాత రోజు కుదిరితే ఏదైనా పద్మశ్రీ పద్మభూషణ్ ఇచ్చినా పర్వాలేదు, సరిపెట్టుకుంటాం మేము. పిల్లల ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ అలాగే ఉన్నాయి, వాళ్ళని పంపించే విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రుల కోరికలు కూడా అలాగే ఉన్నాయి. అది మారాలి. కానీ మిగతా విద్యల దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి
అదర్ ఫార్మ్ హ్యాస్ లేక నో. టేక్ ఉషాస్ డ్రీమ్. ఇన్ ఉషా పరిణయం ద నాయకి Usha, she sees a dream. In which form is there a dream? That means the Esther Kuchipudi gurus thought of every aspect of life.
Tadimita tadim tata dim tata gadim tadar tajan tagadinatum tagadinatum tagadinatadadi dhanam dhanatam hattakkidatagajam tagadagajam vittakum darikudhanam.
Ramu Gaur also has to come to the dais, please.
తక్కత్త ధన్నత్త తీయం తక్కత్త ధన్నం ధన్నత్త తీయం తక్కత్త తనదు సభకువ చెన్ను కన్నక కసిపుడను దను జేయంద్రుడు ఘనతతోడ తనదు సభకువ చెన్ను కన్నక కసిపుడను దను జేయంద్రుడు.
ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸನ ಅಖಿಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ ನೃತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಗಿನಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೂ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಭಾಳ.
My character and my body movements will never suit a male character like that. But she said, no, you can't do it. You do it like that. But when today morning, when Madam did the seminar and when she spoke about the movements, what I thought was really co-mate in my dance class. And to start with, actually I'm not understanding where to start with because this program is really unbelievable.
ತಾಯಿ ಗುರು ಸುನಂದಾದೇವಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನನಗಂತೂ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ.
She learned Kuchipudi from
for having taken up the task. When she contacted me that I'm going to do this traveling, I like the idea of this traveling dance festival. It's something that is unique and
the country wherever they travel, including if they go across the world, and this flag of India is carried all over. I must congratulate for such a venture on that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
उम्मीद है कि आने वाले जनरेशन में भी आगे ऐसे क्लासिकल डांसर्स के लिए ये दिल्ली एक माइलस्टोन बनेगा।
It's very nice that young dancers are being provided a performance platform. This is something which is very badly needed. And for an organization in Bangalore to have taken this tremendous trouble of providing a stage like this for dancers from all over, I think is a great task. And I really congratulate them on having the generosity to take such a performance all over and to treat people to glimpses of all our dance forms.